Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Jaguar F PACE. Any screen, if you go to the telephone there, no phone connected, connect a device now, yes or no. Well, you don't want to connect a device, you want to delete it, but press yes anyway. Then that brings up this menu. You've got Bluetooth, search for Bluetooth devices, make system discoverable, list of paired devices. That's the one we want, list of paired devices. And you see there Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. If I click on that, it then gives you rename, delete pairing, connect the phone, connect for music. I want to delete the pairing. Delete pairing for Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, yes. So that's it, it's gone.